Taking a gentle breath in, allowing that breath to fill up your lungs. Holding it there for a moment and slowly, gently releasing it. And again, effortlessly we take a breath in. Our bodies do this naturally. We allow that life-giving air to fill us up, to feed every cell in our body, to nourish our minds, our brains, our organs. To go right to our heart. And we gently breathe out in release of all that we no longer need. And one last time we gently breathe in this breath of life. Something outside of us that breathes in us. We don't have to tell it what to do. It works with our bodies. It knows what to do. And gently we breathe out this breath, exhaling things that the body and mind don't need. Things that are no longer part of the symbiotic system. Our breath nourishes us. It feeds us. It's natural. It surrounds us. This air, this life, it supports us. And as we move into gentle breaths at our own peaceful pace, we allow our awareness to go to the space around us, to the air around us, to the perfection around us that continually gives to us, that continually supports us, that continually helps us to live and to thrive. We don't do anything. We don't control it. We don't make it happen. Our bodies and this breath and this air, this oxygen, naturally work together to uplift us, to hold us, to enliven us, feeding all of our organs, all of our cells, and our souls. There is nothing we need to do nor control to live in this state of grace. It is what naturally happens when we let go. It is what naturally takes place when we focus on one breath at a time, gently breathing in and breathing out. That is our only responsibility in this breath. We don't need to be anxious or afraid of the next one. We rest in the sure knowledge that this oxygen is there, that the space and the air around us is there, constantly supporting us, constantly lifting us, constantly feeding us, nurturing us with everything we need. And as we allow ourselves to just gently breathe in and out, notice how natural it is. Notice it happens without your thinking about it, controlling it, forcing it. It is only when we let go that the natural pace of the breath lifts us, relaxes us, and provides all that is necessary. And so we relax with this breath, this source of being around us, this current of air and perfection that has come through no doing of our own. And we allow ourselves to be lifted by this grace, to be supported by this grace. We allow this space of air to truly support our own lives. It is what keeps us alive. And it is this knowledge we relax into, knowing we are one with this breath. We are one with the space of air and oxygen around us. We are one with this perfection, and we need only let go and allow what is natural to take place. Allow that breath of life to feed us, to fill us, to fulfill us. It is what makes us alive. It is what makes us feel alive. It is beyond ourselves. It is perfection of life, and we are part of it. And so we gently take another breath in, relaxing into this perfection, allowing ourselves to let go, to begin to feel the natural state of joy, peace, contentment, nurturing, love, harmony, and support. And it is here that we reside. It is here that we float. It is here that we allow ourselves to be suspended in this space of grace.